Alright, so I'm getting ready to start day whatever this is. Uh, Today's Wednesday. Most of what you saw yesterday was filmed on Tuesday. And isn't this the cutest little tripod? I just learned that it does this, so that's actually going to be a big help to me. The only thing I don't like about this is this doesn't really tighten down all that well, and that's for this. So, but hopefully later in the video you'll get to see why I have this on me. But yeah, so I gotta go to the bank and then head back up to the camper. My battery is fully charged now on the for the drill, so I'll be able to run that. But other than that, I think ready to start getting work done. Alright, so I'm using the old Sony for old time's sake, and because my phone is being used to listen to a podcast right now. But so the table's built. Well, the actual surface of the table. This thing is built like a tank. It's way overbuilt for what it needs to be. It's going to be very nice and solid. It's going to be a lot more solid than the other table. So what I'm going to do is I have more 2x4s, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the legs, and then I will install the legs inside because I'm not going to be able to get them through the door.
Right, let's try this one. This one's kind of dark.
I mean, I could probably get through the door in one piece, but I'm going to go ahead and install it.
I look really old.
That way, I have to find out, one of the legs is going to be shorter. So I got to find out exactly how short it's going to be because the legs are going to be 30 inches. So I'm going to need to make one of them shorter. I got to find out how much shorter. But once I have more going on, I will let you know. Alright, so here I am in here. Everything is, for the most part, set up. I'm downloading some software that I hope will work on this computer. If it does, I'm going to be happy. If not, I'll have to be bringing my laptop tomorrow. So we'll see how that turns out. The desk fits great. I don't even have it bolted to the floor, and it's stable. I will probably be bolting it to the floor soon. One of the things I realized is with my Wi-Fi hotspot, I had it set to the 2.4 gigahertz band, not the 5 gigahertz band. So I have it set to the 5 gigahertz band, and hey, what do you know? It seems to work a lot better. That I also have it set to be able to go into 5G. Apparently there is a 5G tower near here, so it is working pretty okay. So for right now, I'm going to go ahead and try to get this set up, and I'll explain to you what all I have going on here. Alright, so I did just try this. This computer is an i5 2600, and I had brought up vMix. I don't think OBS Studio is going to be any better, to be honest. I can try it, but one of the things you'll see... Oh, this did not save it like that. Okay. Camera. USB video. Because I don't know if you can see, like, watch the delay when I move my hands. And same as happens with the audio. Well, the audio stays synced with that. So I did a sample recording here. I'll unmute this. You'll hear me through the speaker in that, hopefully. And alright, so what I need to see here is if this is actually usable. There's quite a delay, but this is why I'm trying to do this. This is an i5 26. Yeah, you can see, like, it's fine, but you can also see, like, the movement in it. I don't think this is going to work the way I want it to. I'll try to explain one of the harder things with making videos, especially a lot of the stuff I want to do with 2 cameras. And when you have 2 cameras, it's kind of hard to bring it all together properly, and that's one of the issues I'm running into. And I'll actually upload that footage with this, but I want to do more in here, and having a space I can just go ahead, set up 2 cameras, you know, or even 3, and just, you know, film straight from here. In fact, tomorrow I'm going to do that with my laptop, so I got to get all this crap out of the way first. But, oh, that camera shut off. So, that's where I see the future of my channel going, is more of a stationary setup rather than a lot of, because the problem I have right now is I do a lot of, that's what I'm looking for, like mobile setups, like where I'll be working outside. So, but I want to do more internal. So this is all the stuff for Luke's computer tomorrow, and I'll give you a couple ideas. So, his favorite color is red. I have this, which is a 8400 GS. For what he's doing, it'll be fine. But I also have this XFX 8800 GT. So I'm going to give him an option. Do you want a more powerful card that's black, or do you want to stick with the red? And again, I've said this before, I promise you this is not sponsored by MSI. So, yeah, because that was MSI as well. I have, what is this, 8 gigs of DDR2. I have a better heatsink and a heatsink and fan. In the board right now is a Q6600. I'm going to teach him how to swap out for this Q9300. In the video, now, in the first video I did on the demolition, I found this SSD that's going in there, and I also have this LG. It's a Blu-ray player and a DVD rewriter, so might as well throw that in. And I'm going to turn the camera around. You're going to hear a lot of clunking because I don't have my microphone set up on. And there's this case over there, the Fractal Design Focus G. So I'm happy to have this set up here. This desk is a much more comfortable height, and I gotta finish cleaning all that out. This is gonna be a fun job, but I got this rock solid desk now, even though it's only, I think that's 3/8 of an inch. So I did do a measurement earlier. Like I said, I wanted it to be around 30 inches tall. It's about 30 and a half. Can't ask for much more spot on than that. Well, I mean, you can, but what are the odds you're going to get it? So after probably another week or so, I'll let pass, and then I'm going to go ahead and gut this part out. Yeah, so tomorrow I'm going to bring my laptop. I have, so by the way, what I'm using for this are these, they're like $13 to $18, and they work great. I've used them before, and I also have a, no, that's nothing to that, that's the adapter I need. There we go. And then I have this one here, it's same exact thing, except for it looks a little fancier because of the chrome around it. And it's got USB-C on it. So one of these will be plugged into the Thunderbolt port on my laptop. The other one's going to be plugged into this adapter and into the other USB-C. So, even though you're going to see the video with Luke first, I'm excited. What I think I'm going to have him try to do is I'm going to try to have him identify many of the parts here. And my mom should actually be pulling up any minute now. I have to do something to her van. That's going to be a pain in the butt to do, but hey, it's Mama. You gotta do what you gotta do for Mama. And this is not the end of me doing this stuff in general. This is just the end of it for today. And thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so I realized I did a terrible job at explaining what I'm trying to accomplish here using vMix. So, having the separate cameras, if I want to change frame, I gotta, if I want to switch to what the other camera's showing, I have to record both at the same time, and then try to, line the footage up properly. Whereas with vMix, I can just, alright, camera 1, camera 2, and it'll keep the microphone input to whatever I tell it to, and then so I just record what I gotta do, and if I have to make it into separate sections, that's fine, and then I can just drop those files already doing what I want into KDN Live, and bingo bango, I got a video. And then all I gotta do is piece it together, put my intro on there, put my outro on there, and we're good. So, what do you think of me trying to do these videos this way? You'll have seen one by the time this video comes out, because I think I'll release this one someday or Monday. I don't know yet. But that's my plan. Unfortunately, the 2600 just isn't going to do it. If I have to, I'll build. I think I have some stuff where I can build a better computer to do it. I can build a computer just for that here, or just keep bringing my laptop back and forth. I really don't want to bring my laptop back and forth, but, at least for a couple of times I'll be fine. It would be really helpful if I could, get some income coming in from the channel. That would be great, because I do have, I get paid, but not a lot. Scam likely. So anyway, now thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks everybody for watching. Scrolling across the screen right now, special thanks to my Patreon supporters, and if you'd like to see your name there, there's always a link down in the description below. But as always, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.